How to identify verbs? Grammar lesson for beginners. A verb is an action word. A verb is an action word. Any action that we do from morning to night, dawn to dusk, everything is called as an action verb, and that is a verb in the English grammar. Now let's see some examples. Cleaning, bathing, brushing, acting, fighting, crying, reading, cooking, washing, helping. These are some examples of verbs. Now we are going to be seeing an exercise on verbs. So kids, it's time. Let's begin. My sister helps me to write. Identify what is the verb in the sentence and give it in the chat box. Give the answer. The boy sat on the table. The boy sat on the table. I'll cut my cake. I will cut my cake. Identify what's the verb and give it in the comment section or the chat box. The ball fell on the hole. The ball fell on the hole. Identify what's the verb. They are eating dinner. They are eating dinner. Identify what's the verb in this sentence and give the answer in the comment section. Let's move on to the next one. I like to play Lego. I like to play Lego. That's the example sentence. Identify what's the verb in the sentence. It's the thumbs up. We all swim in the pool. We all swim in the pool. Pool means swimming pool. So, thumb's gonna be up. Do it fastly. My brother asked for the tea. My brother asked for the tea. father cleans the house. My father cleans the house. Identify what's the verb in the sentence and give your answer in the chat box or the comment section. You'll get instant reply. She will bake a cake for me. She will bake a cake for me. They can drink the juice. They can drink the juice. This is the practice sentence. Please give your answer in the comment section. I cry when I get hurt. I cry when I get hurt. This is the practice sentence. Give your answer in the comment section. These are the answers for the practice sentences. Please correct them by yourself.